In this lecture, we are going to look at how we can use number-based filtering in Excel. In the previous one, we looked at how we could use text-based filtering. Now, let's apply number-based filtering to our data. Here we have a number-based column called age bracket. Let's apply a few filters to it by going to the drop-down here. Here again we have the field list box which contains different options to exclude or include. So all the ages that you have in the entire column will be listed here, and you can either select a few or even exclude a few from this list. What we are concerned with though is this option of number filters. So let's see how we can apply criteria based number filters to our column. I'll go here and select the first option called equals, which allows me to select a specific value. So only if the number, or I will say the age, equals let's say 75, the data will be visible to me. I'll click on equals and put in let's say 75 and click on OK. So all the patients which contain the, I would say, or which are of the age 75 will be visible to me. Everything else will be hidden. Let's go back and remove our filtering. Let's go here and apply some other type of filter. Then we have does not equal, which will be the opposite of equal. So if you say does not equal 75, everything except that age will be visible. We have greater than or equal to. You can use greater than if you want to see all the patients of the age greater than a particular number. Let's say 70. So I'll click on this, and is greater than 70 will be my criteria. Click on OK. And now all the patients which are having the age of above 70 will be visible to me. I'll clear the filter and move on to the next filter, which is greater than or equals to. If you select greater than or equal to, you will also have 70 included. So if I only say greater than 70, 70 will not be included. But if I say greater than or equal to 70 by selecting this option and putting in 70, I will also have 70 included in my result here. That's how this works. The next one that we have here is the opposite of that, which is less than and less than or equal to. Both of them will do the same as what it mentions. That is, if I put in less than 50, all patients below 50 will be visible. All patients below 50, including 50, will be visible if I select the less than or equal to option. Then we have between. So if I want to put in a particular age group, let's say 20 to 25, I can select the option of between. The first thing it will ask you is greater than or equal to what number? I'll say 20 here. And is less than or equal to which number? I'll put in 25 here. If you want to exclude 20 and 25, you can simply go to this drop down and change greater than or equal to just greater than. And similarly, you can change this to just less than. For now, I will keep it the way it is and click on OK. So now all the patients having their age between 20 to 25, including 20 and 25, will be visible to me, will be shown to me, and everything else will be hidden. Let's clear this as well. The next option that we have is top 10, which will display the top 10 values. So if you want to look at the top 10 ages, you will have this option selected and you will have the answer. The next thing that we have is above average and below average. Above average will basically make Excel find out the average of your entire column, and whatever is above that will be visible to you. Whatever is below it will not be visible to you. The complete opposite of that is below average. Let's say the average is 65, and if I select below average, Excel will show me all the patients that are below 65, but not the ones that are above 65. This is how the filter works. So if I click on above average here, you see my data has now been filtered. This is how the number-based filtering works in Excel. That's it for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next one.